Can you believe that this is Virginia Beach? Wow. This is quite a bit of snow going down. This is a lot of snow. And it all happened in one night. If it is not at least 8 inches, I don't know what I'm talking about. I think this officially qualifies for a blizzard. But one thing's for sure, kids will definitely have fun on a day like today. Let's see. Let's take a look at this. What you doing, young lady? Are you eating ice? Are you eating snow? You probably don't want to eat too much of that. It'll give you a cold. Yeah. Can you believe they even make it out to the playground on a blizzard like this? Wow.